Okay. Topic 2, trigonometric ratios. Let's find some trigonometric ratios of a given specific angles. Now sin theta, it means theta is equal to some value of angle. Now first we'll start with a sin 45 निकालने की कोशिश करेंगे. Sin 45 डिग्री. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपको sin 45 निकालना है. आई विल गिव यू द हिंट. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री फिक्स है. Trigonometric ratio is only applicable to a right angle triangle, so we will have a right angle triangle here, that is PQR. Other way, sin 45 means here this is my 45 degree angle in the given figure. Okay, now this theta is 45 degree, this is 90. What is the remaining angle? ये 45 degree होगा. Yes or no? It's a simple concept. Remaining angle of the triangle. So this triangle is a 45 45 90 डिग्री ट्राइंगल. 45 45 90 डिग्री का ट्राइंगल है. तो अगर ये दोनों सेगमेंट्स देखो बेस एंगल्स आर इक्वल, दिस टू सेगमेंट्स आर गोइंग टू बी इक्वल. ओके, अब मुझे आपको पूछना है कि QR and PQ will be a congruent sides. Right now I'll take as A and A. Now if I'll tell you PQ is A and QR is A, let us find PR. So PR square is equal to A square plus A square. Pythagoras theorem से we can obtain PR as 2A square under root. Okay, so PR comes to be root 2A. This is the value of PR by Pythagoras. Again I am repeating. Okay, sin 45 means I am considering this angle, one angle is 45. ये क्वेश्चन में 90 प्रोवाइडेड है. Now this is a 45 degree angle, remaining angle of the triangle. Now base angles are congruent, so I'll say QR and PQ which are congruent will be A and A considered. अगर this both values are A, then we get PR as root 2A by using the Pythagoras relation. अब आपको values. Now think of sin 45, give me an answer. PQ is my opposite side. It's simple, opposite side upon hypotenuse. So if I ask you what is the opposite side, it is PQ. If I ask you what is the hypotenuse, you will be giving me the answer as PR. Now you can find the absolute. See, sin 45, the real value comes now. PQ, what is the value of PQ? It will be A. And what will be the value of PR? It's provided here, root 2A. So it will be 1 by root 2. Now this is fixed, students. It is fixed. Whenever you will be asked what is the value of sin 45, it will be always 1 by root 2. And we have found it. Okay, in the similar sense, can we find for cos 45? Okay, now cos 45 के लिए आप वापस सोचना. Okay, now it will go for adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Fine. PQ upon PR. अब इसकी जगह, now this is my 45. Okay, 45 is here. Adjacent side is QR. Hypotenuse same PR. And I'll get again as A upon root 2A. So it is 1 by root 2. So one interesting thing I found is the sin 45 and the cos 45 has the same value. Okay, this is now a specific value. So I have got this ratio and the value of this trig. Now in the same case I can find for sin 0, sin 90, sin 45, sin 30. Now there is a long way to learn this. Now this was a simple example where we have derived the value. We can find for everything 60, 30, 70. Right now I will not go in details because in short I have to explain this, and we'll have some other day to go in detail how these values have come. Now, so we will come to the chart, which chart we will fill it up using the values. So this is what I have to find. Angle A provided as where angle may be 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so these are the values of the question. Now we have to fill this chart as what is sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60 and sin 90. This all values we have to find. Similarly for cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Now there is a long way to find out, but I will give you a hint how to make it easy and quickly. So you will take number. यहाँ पे आप लोगों ने 0 upon 4 लेना है. Take it 1 upon 4, take it 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 4. Okay. Now after that 0 upon 4, 1 by 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4. Okay. Then you take the square root. You take the square root. and whatever values you will get students, that will be filled in this and this column. Okay, बस that's it. इससे तुम्हारा table 1 का part 1 create होगा. So I will say this will be 0 upon 4 will be 0. So root 0 which will be 0. So first here it will be 0. This will be root 1 by 4 means I can say it will be 1 by 2. Yes or no? Because square root of 1 is 1, 4 ka hai 2, 1 by 2. This, so this can be written as under root 1 by 2. So it will be 1 upon root 2. Dekho, under root 1 upon 2 means square root of 1 is 1 and 2 ka square root is root 2. 3 by 4, so it will be root 3 and 4 ka square root perfectly it will be found out as root 3 upon 2. So root 3 divided by 2. Root 4 upon 4, it's simple, it will be root 1 which will be 1. Now you are done with the part 1 which is the main and important thing. When you will fill the next part, see it's very interesting, okay. Now this 1 will be coming here, the 0 will be coming here, okay. Ye root 3 by 2 will be here, okay. Now other thing, this will be 1 by root 2 as it is, see, and this 1 by 2 will be here. I have just shuffled the order, 0 यहाँ पे जाएगा, 1 का यहाँ पे आएगा, root 3 by 2 यहाँ से यहाँ पे आएगा, फिर 1 by 2 यहाँ से यहाँ पे आएगा, ये ऐसे रहेगा. Now tan A, what is the relation of tan A? Do remember this, there is a relation of tan A. Tan A is always what? Sin A divided by cos A. Okay, this is my tan A. Tan A always expresses as sin A upon cos A. बहुत लंबे रेस तक याद रखना है, बहुत काम आने वाला है. So tell me 0 upon 1. If I divide 0 upon 1, what will be the output? In the chat box, please provide it. Anyone? Now 0 upon 1, this value comes 0. Now 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2, 2 will be cancelled, this will be 1 upon root 3, means 1 and this root 3. Yahan pe 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, it will be only 1. Root 3 upon 2 divided by 1 by 2, 2 will be cancelled, it will be root 3. And 1 upon 0, remember 1 upon 0 it cannot be defined, not defined, because there is no value yet. Similarly, now cosec A, you know everyone students, what was cosec A? It was always 1 upon sin A. It's like a husband wife relation, opposite way. 0 hai, so make a reciprocal. Now you have to start with the reciprocal. So this will be 1 upon 0. So what will be the value here? Not defined. Similarly, 1 by 2, it will be 2. What I am doing here, 1 upon sin A, reciprocals of this values gives you cosec A, 0 not defined, 1 by 2, 2, 1 by root 2, root 2, root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3, and 1 का reciprocal will be 1 only. Cos A में अगर हम आए, cos A, now reciprocal of 1 will be again 1, reciprocal root 3 by it will be 2 upon root 3, this will be root 2, this will be 1 by 2, so it will be 2, and this is 1 upon 0, so again sorry, this reciprocal of 0 will be not defined. Okay, now tan A, go with this last part cot A. Now this is your task to do in your books. Cot A, you are supposed to find it out and fill it in your books fast. Come on, fill it in your books. So check out the values of cot A.